If you're a creative professional, you know that having the right tools can make all the difference. Whether you're designing, writing, editing videos, or managing projects, the right online platforms can help you work smarter, not harder. In 2025, the landscape of creative tools is more exciting than ever, with new features and AI-powered upgrades that can transform your workflow and unlock new levels of creativity. Let's take a look at the top online tools every creative pro should know about this year. First up is Canva Pro. Once seen as a beginner's tool, Canva Pro has evolved into a powerhouse for designers of all levels. With features like magic resize, brand kits, and video editing, you can create everything from social posts to presentations in minutes. The AI-powered design suggestions help you brainstorm and polish your work, making it feel like you have a full design team at your fingertips. Next is Notion, which has become the go-to workspace for creatives who need to organize their ideas and projects. Notion combines note-taking, project management, and wikis into one flexible platform. You can build content calendars, manage client projects, and keep all your inspiration in one place. With built-in AI, Notion can even help you brainstorm, outline, and refine your content, speeding up your creative process. For those who collaborate on design, Figma is a game changer. It allows multiple people to work on the same design file in real time, just like Google Docs, but for design. No more endless email threads or confusion over file versions. Figma makes teamwork seamless, whether you're working with colleagues or clients. If you create video or audio content, Descript is a tool you'll want to check out. It lets you edit video and audio as easily as editing a document. You can cut, trim, or delete sections just by editing the transcript. With features like AI voice cloning, overdubs, and screen recording, Descript streamlines the editing process for podcasts, YouTube videos, and more. Writing is a big part of creativity, and Grammarly is the secret weapon for polished communication. It checks your grammar, suggests better tone, and helps with clarity, so your emails, scripts, and social posts always sound professional. For creative assets, Envato Elements offers unlimited downloads of stock images, videos, music, fonts, and templates. Instead of searching multiple sites or paying per asset, you get access to millions of resources in one place, saving you time and money. And finally, ChatGPT has become the AI creative partner for many professionals. Whether you need blog outlines, script drafts, or fresh social media ideas, ChatGPT helps you brainstorm and create faster. It doesn't replace your creativity, but it does help you take it further. Which of these tools is your favorite? Or is there another tool you can't live without? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more creative tech tips, and share this with a friend who wants to level up their toolkit. Now go create something amazing.